Hello, it's Angeline. I'm back with another scrappy video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this rainbow card. First up, I've already stamped and colored this cute stamp by Phyllis Harris called Being There, and have added some sparkly goodness to her pants as well. And I'm grabbing some rainbow dye here from My Favorite Things and also the clouds dye, and I've already die cut them with some white cardstock here. So I'm grabbing my Altenew watercolors here and just painting in the rainbows first, layers by layers, from the smallest to the biggest, and I'm just following the rainbow colors here. You could do any colors that you want and you like. So I'm using watercolors here to color it in really easily and just letting the water blend in all the colors together to create a really loose coloring and a dreamy kind of feel as though it is in the clouds. I've also die cut some clouds here, and I'm just painting them really easily and quickly with some blues. So I'm grabbing the Unity stamp paper pack here called Rainbow Vibes. This is so good, I love it. It's filled with rainbow pattern papers, and I've already grabbed one of them to adhere it to my card base. So first I'm grabbing the rainbow, which I've already watercolored, and I've already put some washi tape right behind each of the elements so that it stays in one piece, so that I can easily move it around on my card to adhere it along with the clouds and also the sentiment. So here is my finished rainbow card. I hope you love this card, and thanks for watching. Bye!